All right, back to the 928. It's been a while. So where did we last leave off? The fuel pump wasn't working, so we had it replaced, even though it had already been
Yeah,
replaced.
fuel pump, fuel filter, and then
But then we figured out that
it was the ignition
it
problem.
might have been
we
the
fixed
ignition.
Fixed the wiring, ignition works, but now
So Derek
it doesn't
fixed
run. It idles rough, so maybe it's an injector. It's clogged. So did you put?
We didn't do anything yet, so go.
Do we have the
front.
injector cleaner?
Go look on the front of the car.
Now let's look for what?
Here, we'll put a bottle of this stuff in there.
All right.
So let's see if we can
Clean.
let's see if we
fuel
can start
system
it up.
Cleaner.
And
All right. See if it works. Be a good commercial if it works.
Lucas.
Oh, you didn't do it yet?
No, because that hose has to go all the way down in.
Oh. How much gas do we have in this thing?
No idea.
Do you have an extra gas can? We put in a gallon.
Put it in the front.
Just dump the whole thing. Let's do it.
Expensive.
All right, this would be a good
Well,
ad
wait.
for Lucas
It
if
might
it
have a
works.
concentration, like so
It
many
doesn't
ounces
matter.
per gallon. Pour entire bottle in the fuel
Doesn't
tank.
matter. There's,
All right,
there's
yeah,
gas
that's
in
my
here.
concentration, right?
Yeah.
The whole bottle.
Yeah, look at those hands. Delicate.
Yeah, non-mechanical, uncalloused, white collar medical hands.
Keep it going.
Well, that's
All right. Well, it's running now, but it's rough. So I think we're just gonna let it run for a while.
sounds a little better.
It's too dark in here. All right. So what do we do next?
What we do next? We armor all it. And
All right. So we got the 928. Looks like it's running okay at the moment. So what's next? What do we do next?
it's not running that good. I mean, I think we need to drive it for a while and then blow it out. It's probably the injectors. Because I put a new fuel pump, new fuel filter, and put some injector cleaner, and it should run well. But it'll take a while for the injector fuel to work.
All right.
If that doesn't do the job, then it must be the ignition. Maybe one of the coils is bad. It could be the plugs. It's
All right.
possible.
Sounds okay at the moment. Put the light on the dash. Let's see here. Yeah, all the instruments are working except the fuel gauge. All right. Sounds pretty good, really.
Well, let me grab it.
The door panel looks okay. Get some new grill for the hole there, speaker.
Now it should start right back up. No, see?
That's odd. Might be too rich.
So it should just immediately.
Perfect.
All right, so what's this invention here? What do you have here?
No, I just put a tractor seat on this. It had a regular round seat that was padded. I took that off, threw it away,
So use the
Pull the
mechanism.
tractor seat on here and give it a little stability, a little extra weight. I put a clutch plate on there,
All right.
which is kind of heavy.
So let's try it out. How does it work?
It works when you sit on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You've got a lever right here in the middle. You sit on it. If you want it lower, your weight will make it go down. You just take this lever and just go like that. Go down as far as you want.
All right.
Now it's at the bottom.
So that's your 928 mechanics tractor seat.
That's perfect for working on something like this, which I'm doing. And it's the right height.
Yeah, well, we'll show this later. The Morgan. All right, little nighttime drive. Little spaceship.
I'll tell it.
All right, well, here we are. We think the gas might be a little bit old. We're draining the tank. We're going to put some seafoam with some fresh gas.
And hopefully clean the injectors and make it run right. That's it.
Yep.